listen. Oh my word. This car, or this SUV, this has to be one of the most fun SUVs that I've ever driven. Not to mention, one of the best looking ever. You don't even have to go fast to enjoy the sound, which is really, really nice. With today's speed limits, you want a car that you can enjoy that sound all the time. But welcome inside the 2020 Alfa Romeo STELVIO Quadrifoglio with the optional Akrapovic exhaust. As you can hear, it sounds magnificent. So you join me today in Italy. I'm in an Alfa Romeo driving through Italy. The sun's out, on my way to buy a pizza. Life is pretty good, I would say. So it's got a 2.9 litre V6 putting out 510 PS, which is more than enough. I've actually never had the Stelvio on my channel, so super happy to finally have one on my channel, and the brand new one. Not that there's that much difference with the 2020 model. A couple of updates here and there. The blacked out grille in the front, some updates on the interior. They've put leather over the gear shifter, so that looks a lot nicer. Everything just looks kind of a little bit nicer and a little bit more tidy. Love this flat screen at the front here, which is also touch screen now as well. I think the seats are also slightly updated. They look brilliant. These are the optional carbon fiber bucket seats. And I've driven this car now for around 6-7 hours straight. And no problems, super comfortable. On one hand, I could tell you so many things about this car. I could tell you lots of boring information, but for me, this car is so much about passion, and I feel like I just don't need to say much. It is just such a wonderful car. I buy cars purely on smile factor and if they pass the love test. And for me, this car definitely passes the love test. I can't talk for reliability. I'm sure it's a topic that will come up on this car. I really, really don't know. But even if there would be some rumors that the reliability might not be so good on these cars, I guess that goes for the Giulia Quadrifoglio also, I think I would just ignore it and still buy one, because it just makes me so happy. Deal with the problems when and if they come, and until they do, you could just do this and smile the whole time. Things I don't like about the car after my couple of days with it: the back end of the car doesn't blow me away like the front does. It's not bad, but it's nowhere near as good looking as the front. Possibly the brakes, they work incredible. This has the carbon ceramic brakes. They stop you without any issue. However, the feedback and the feeling on them is not so good. We've got the DNA driving modes. Right now, I have it in race, which means this. You get full sound, the exhaust fully opens. However, if you have it in race mode, you have no help whatsoever. All of the electronics are off. You're by yourself, you're alone, so you better take care when pushing it in race mode. And as I said, you don't have to be breaking the speed limit. You can just be cruising. It sounds like I'm going really fast, but I'm not. I was not even hitting the speed limit then. I mean, you really can put this into race mode and have fun on a mountain pass. That would be no question. Sì, due. Super. Grazie.
Ciao, grazie.
3 euros for 2 fresh slices of pizza. I love Italy for many reasons. This is a big part of it. Why I love Italy. Look at that, just look at it. I wish you guys could taste this. So yeah, thanks for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the Stelvio Quadrifoglio as much as me, because it is just one hell of a machine. I'm gonna go and get more pizza. So for me, it is officially ciao for now. Arrivederci.